from Hawks Haven. We've got one of our newest little members here. We haven't named it yet, but there's the mama. There's the dad. Hello. And this is the little one. And it was born on the 18th. And there's one of its cousins that was also born on the 18th. A couple cousins. Hi, what's going on, huh? You guys do a little head bump? Yeah, you guys do little head bumps? What's up, Jake? I know, what's going on? Is that you? What's up, everybody? Anyway, this is Hawks Haven. We're doing big hugel culture projects here. And I don't know if you can see in the background here. If I move my hand, that'd be even better. There's big trenches that we're filling full of grass and lots of sticks and lots of organic materials that will decompose slowly. And they hold on to water while they're doing it. And so, anyway, we've got chickens, and we've got goats, and we've got guinea pigs, and we've got lots of landscaping that holds water to the land instead of letting it shed off and contribute to flooding and erosion. So, if we can hold on to the water, we help to build the aquifer. And unlike the county where we live, it seems that they want to tax the problems. We're looking to implement solutions. So hopefully we can start getting some more people interested in our projects up here. We are following models that have proven successful all over the world and recharging aquifers and turning land that is less than desirable into productive, fruitful landscape again. So, we're kind of recreating the Garden of Eden when you have food growing everywhere. And if food is growing everywhere, you also take care of hunger at the same time. And if you've got resources growing everywhere, you can also take care of homelessness at the same time. Many people like to go camping. So it just shows that many people like the simplicity of life. And I think, hey, get off my sweatshirt, mister. Yeah, that's mine. That's not yours, alright? Not yours, mister. So, anyway, we are here at Hawks Haven. We are in central Washington. It is a pretty large permaculture project. We're starting on 25 acres of our own personal property, and we do have landowner permission to extend it to thousands of acres. So, with the right resources, the right labor, we can do that. And we can transform this whole valley that's behind me and around me. We can transform it back into forest by holding water to the land and planting some trees. And then the little birds in nature, they kind of help out with the rest of it. Like there's a little bird. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if I'm good enough with this camera. I don't know. Anyway, there's a little bird up there on the wires. And when you plant a tree, he'll come by and he'll shit on the branch. And what he or she has eaten from all over the valley will get planted right below the trees. And the leaves that fall off the trees help to mulch the soil. And when we mulch the soil and we hold the moisture to the ground, everything starts to thrive. So, anyway, come on out. Let's learn about permaculture and a symbiotic existence with our environment, and hopefully we can persuade and encourage others to do the same.